Yo, I just released the course Quick Start in the mobile app world. I'm a mobile app developer, so in this course I teach you how to create an application. But inside the course, I don't teach how to code. You will not learn how to code, how to program an application or something like that inside the course. So in the course, you will learn everything about how to find a good idea, find a good market, the pricing if you want to make money with your application, the process to create the application, but actually not necessarily yourself, how to publish it on the stores, how to do the marketing, everything about that, but not about coding. So in this video, I will tell you why I don't make a coding course. Let's go. So actually there is mainly two reasons why I don't want to make a coding course. The first one is really simple. I don't want to make it. Actually, there is a lot of resources to learn how to code. Actually, if you type on Google how to code in Java, how to make an Android application, and you will find a lot of resources. So it could be some blog posts, it could be some videos on YouTube. You can find some free courses, some paid courses, some good paid courses, and there is a lot of resources out there to learn how to code, and not necessarily to make an Android application or an iOS application, but you can find that for every development languages. So if you want to do web development, I don't know, learn Java, PHP, everything you can find, you can easily find some resources to learn that. In the other side, if you want to learn how to make an application, and by making an application I mean building the whole thing from scratch. So the idea, as I told you, the idea, the market, the pricing, the marketing, all that stuff, it's a bit more difficult to find resources about that. And actually you can find some blog articles about that stuff, but it's not enough, you know. In this article that will tell you, okay, you have to find an idea, you have to find a market, you have to develop the application, publish it on the store, do some marketing, and it will work. The thing is that you don't exactly know how to do it and the right way to do it. And that's why I made this course, because I haven't found a course that teaches you all that steps. And actually there is a good example that I like to use to show my point of view. And it's with a restaurant actually. You can know how to cook, that's good. If you know how to cook, that's good. You can make some food, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good skill. But actually, if you know how to cook, it doesn't mean that you can make a restaurant actually. You know how to cook, so yeah, you can create a restaurant, try to manage a restaurant. But you don't know how to manage a restaurant, how to manage people in the restaurant, all the business stuff around the restaurant, but you know how to cook. But in the other side, if you know how to manage a restaurant and you don't know how to cook, there is better chance that your restaurant will not fail and last longer. I don't say that if you know how to manage a restaurant, you will surely be successful with your restaurant, and I don't say either that if you know how to cook, you will not be able to make a restaurant. But you have better chance to have a good restaurant if you know how to manage it, better than if you know how to make the food. Because if you know how to manage a restaurant, how to manage people, how to handle a business, and you can still hire someone that will make the food for you actually, and you can still learn how to make the food. That's a good skill. You should learn how to make some food. Okay, so if you know how to manage that, you can easily learn how to cook or hire someone that will cook for you. In the other side, if you know how to cook and you don't know how to manage, you can still hire someone that will manage your business. But if that's someone that manages your business, that's not your business anymore. That's his business, and you're just working like making the cook. So that's the same with application actually. Developing the application, knowing how to code the application is like cooking. That's good. You can make an application, but it doesn't mean that your application will be good. And what I'm calling a good application is not necessarily a business or an application. It's not necessarily an application that will make you money. Actually, you can want to make an application for fun. You want an application that people will download for a project, for charity, or for something. And actually, there is not just money inside the application. You know, you have to have a good application, like a good experience with your application, a good design, the right people that will use your application, and all that stuff. It's not just about money. But to be general, I just talk about an app business. You know, I don't have battery anymore, so.
A few moments later.
The second reason why I don't make a coding course is that I'm too lazy. You know, that's just too much work to make. As a mentor and a teacher on a platform for young developers, I know how it can be hard to teach to people how to code, how to learn programming, all that stuff. actually making the whole course to teach people just with videos to code, it's really hard actually. I'm thinking about making like a mentoring group, like one of the jobs that I do, being a mentor. So people have a courses, I don't make the course. People have a courses to follow to get their certification, their diploma, and I'm just here to help them during that. So if they have some questions, some tips, or the good way to develop their application, I'm here to help. But I will not make the whole course that will teach them how to code. I'm thinking about making something like that because a lot of people ask me how to learn how to code, but I don't want to teach directly to people how to code because for me, I'm too lazy. You know, I'm too lazy, and that's too hard actually. But I'm really glad to help people to go to the right way. So in the other side, I will make another courses about development, but there will not be coding inside it. I will tell you more about that inside another video, but just remember that I will not make a coding video, a coding course. I will not make a coding course, not video. I will make coding videos, but not course. So yeah, that's the reason why I didn't make a coding course and more a general course about app business. So if you are interested about the course, actually it's still free to join. The link will be in the description of the video. So yeah, you can join for free actually because the course is not finished. And yeah, I would love to have your feedback about the course. So yeah, in comments, tell me what you would like to see inside the course. If you are inside the course and you have watched the video, send me a message to tell me what you think about it. And if you would like to have more developer content about my other course about development, tell me in comments what you would like to see inside a developer course, but without all the coding stuff, what you would like to know as a developer except all the coding stuff. So I'm looking forward to see for your answers, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I see you next time for another video. Bye.